often the parts within us that are reactive to our enemies, that kind of, can cause us to be enmeshed and not in capacities to be compassionate towards them, are usually one of the following. It's an unhealed wound. Parts of us still carry the pain of having been wounded in precisely the same way we see our enemies, as we discussed. A secret shame, as Seth was saying, that we're capable of precisely the same behaviors we reject in our enemies. And we fear that if these parts are revealed, we'll be rendered equally untouchable. A threatened life need, parts of us that need to flourish in life or love, need to feel safe, need to be seen, to have value, feel included. Those parts, or undeveloped gift or power, capacities within us, our personal power, voices, strengths, and talents have been chronically stifled by persons our enemies represents, right? So when others repel us, compassion invites us to refrain from attacking or villainizing our enemies, or even shunning them in disgusted aversion. Instead, compassion invites us to hear their cries, tend its needs, heal its wounds, and nurture its vitality. This returns us to self-compassion that relaxes the reactivity within us. In this process, our enemies will be transformed. We will recognize them as human. We see them as full human beings, people in pain, just as we can be in pain. In this way, it's in some ways it's helpful that we can look at our enemies as spiritual teachers, right? They have something from them that we can learn from. They serve, in this sense, with respect to our spiritual growth, as allies on the road of life and the road that we take to grow into love. They have the unique capacity to surface within us what most immediately longs for healing and wholeness. The secret to genuinely loving us is to work with and not against the momentum of our souls.